Okay, let's do that again. From the top this time.
It was an ordinary day. Then she walked in.
That was good, that was good. Can you do maybe a little less hoarse this time? All right, here we go.
It was an ordinary day. Then she walked.
It's still no good. You know what? I got the right thing for situations like this. I always have a bottle of Clyde's Voice 37 in the studio. It helps clear the voice and make for a smooth, rich, and confident sound. And it's very easy to use too. Just fill up 3/4 of the dropper, put the liquid vitamin onto a spoon, and swallow. Now take a drink, wait an hour or two, and you're good to go. I charge by the hour, by the way.
You got me in overdrive. I'm running, yes, you've done it. I'm running so fast, you love it. The pretty faces got me in overdrive.
Lolleze. Lollze. No. Lolleze. Lollies. 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 Organic throat soothing pops for kids. It's a good for when you're sick. It tastes like strawberry, honey, watermelon, orange mango. Four aces 3+. Lollies. Lollies? Yowies. 26 days in the smile. I'm gonna save this for when I'm sick.